Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo 3rd Gen ThinkPad X1 Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo 3rd Gen ThinkPad X1 Yoga won't power on, it could be due to a failing battery. Over time, batteries can degrade and lose their ability to hold a charge, causing your device to become unresponsive. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to further complications, potentially affecting other components and resulting in more costly repairs. To begin this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a new battery specifically designed for the Lenovo 3rd Gen ThinkPad X1 Yoga. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back cover. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges, taking care not to damage the clips securing it. With the back cover off, you will see the battery. It is typically rectangular and secured with additional screws. Identify the screws holding the battery in place and remove them using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery from its compartment. Be cautious of any cables connected to the battery. You may need to disconnect them carefully using your fingers or tweezers. When replacing the battery, ensure that the new one is correctly aligned and securely connected. Reinsert the screws to hold the battery in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the new battery is secured, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Finally, plug in your device and press the power button to check if it powers on. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo 3rd Gen ThinkPad X1 Yoga. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check your battery health and avoid letting it completely drain too often. Keeping your device updated can also help manage battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.